Hey guys, it's Nick from KN Tech. Welcome back. It's been a little while. I've moved house a couple of times and I've had a few things going on which has kept me away from making the YouTube videos. Well, that's all going to change now, and hopefully I've got myself set up in a decent little space here, and I'm hopefully going to start making some videos. Maybe not every week or every fortnight, but I'm going to try and get some done as and when I can. So this is as much for me to get back into making videos as it is for you just to give you an update of what's been going on. Like I said, I've moved house a couple of times, and the house I'm living in now is hopefully the house I'm going to stay living in for a little while, so no more office moves and tedious videos like that. We've had a little bit of work done here. Where I'm sitting at the moment, it used to be the loft or the attic, depending on where you're from. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly take you through how we got this room converted from a loft space into the room that it is now. Unfortunately, I've lost the footage of the attic exactly as it was before any work was done up here, but what you will see is what it was like before any of the major work started. I managed to get some decent lights up in the loft now. So yeah, these are just a set of my studio lights over in the corner, because that's where I'm going to start doing some work initially. We've got all the boards that need to go on the wall and a few bits and bobs up here I need to get sorted. But this is where I'm going to start off in the corner. I'm just going to start getting the server rack built so I can get the servers up. And I realise the wall haven't gone on yet, the wall coverings haven't gone on yet, but that'll come soon enough. So in this section of the video, I'm just going to be setting up the corner, just going to be building the server rack temporarily that's going to sit there just so that I can get things in place, and then hopefully as things progress we can move it around and get it in the final place. Okay, so we've got the server rack built. Now I'm just going to cable up the network cables and the power cables into the back of the server unit. It's going to fire them up, and then hopefully I'll go downstairs and I should be able to access them. So as you guys can see, it was quite a bit of work to get this space converted from an old loft into a reusable room. It's turned out really well because I've got plenty of room up here for me to do my work, sit and play some games and also make some content for you guys. So this was just a quick video really for me to get back into the swing of things and let you guys know that I'm back. So keep your eye out for the notifications if you already subscribed, and if you're not, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put new videos up. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.